Welcome to TheAutoVerse, your ultimate source for everything automotive, from timeless classics to cutting-edge modern rides. Today, we're exploring the remarkable Citroen DS Restomod, an elegant yet powerful take on an iconic classic. The Citroen DS, often referred to as one of the most influential cars in automotive history, has found new life with modern Restomods. This reimagined version blends classic French design with contemporary engineering. Under the hood, you might find a re-engineered engine setup tailored to meet today's performance standards. Most Restomod enthusiasts are opting for turbocharged or even fully electric powertrains, depending on their vision for efficiency and clean energy. Traditionalists might choose a refined gasoline-powered engine, often upgrading to a 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder that delivers more power and torque compared to the original models. This new energy propels the DS with confidence, balancing its classic roots with impressive performance. The iconic looks of the DS remain largely intact, but with subtle modern enhancements. The legendary teardrop shape, sweeping roofline, and signature hydro-pneumatic suspension system have been preserved, often improved for a smoother and more reliable ride. Updates include LED lighting in the signature front headlights, providing improved visibility while maintaining the car's distinctive gaze. Custom paint finishes, new alloy wheel designs, and refined chrome accents give the DS Restomod a breathtaking presence, keeping heads turning wherever it goes. Inside, the Restomod DS offers a fusion of retro charm and modern luxury. Expect to find a redesigned dashboard with digital instrumentation, seamlessly integrated to provide all the necessary information with a vintage flair. Premium leather seats, often paired with high-end materials like wood or brushed aluminum trim, elevate the cabin to a luxurious haven. The addition of a state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation, brings 21st century convenience. The ride is made more enjoyable with modern climate control and soundproofing, ensuring comfort on any drive. Prices for a Citroen DS Restomod vary widely based on customization, ranging from $100,000 to over $250,000. The investment reflects the meticulous craftsmanship, modern technology, and bespoke features that each Restomod offers. It's a car for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate a blend of old-world elegance and new-age innovation. We love hearing from you, so share your thoughts on the Citroen DS Restomod in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time as we continue exploring the extraordinary world of automobiles.
Perfect.